everyone, I'm Gaidil B. Española.
NumPy it provides a wide range of features for working with array matrix and other numerical data, making it an essential tool for data science, machine learning, and scientific computing. Pandas it provides high-performance, easy-to-use data structure and data analysis tools, making it a cornerstone for data scientists, analysis, and anyone working with tabular data. Matplotlib.pyplot is a collection of functions that Matplotlib work like MATLAB. It provides a simple and convenient way to create static, interactive, and animated visualization in Python. sklearn.cluster is a module within the scikit-learn library in Python that provides a collection of unsupervised learning algorithms for clustering data. sklearn.dataset is a fundamental module offering a collection of tools for loading and generating datasets commonly used in machine learning. sklearn.preprocessing is a powerful module designed to transform and prepare your data for machine learning algorithm. sklearn decomposition dedicated to providing algorithm for matrix decomposition and dimensionality reduction. Iris.data refers to the feature data of the Iris dataset, a classic dataset in machine learning. Iris.target to classification target label of the Iris dataset, which is a well-known dataset used in machine learning for classification tasks. Standard scaler used for standardizing feature by removing the mean and scaling to unit variance. Clusters, fundamental technique in machine learning and data analysis that involve grouping similar data points together based on their feature. K-means.level, providing the cluster level assigned to each data point after the K-means clustering algorithm has been run. K-means.cluster-centers is an attribute of a fitted provide the coordinate of the cluster centers found by the algorithm. PCA.fit transform combined two-case operation, fitting the PCA model to the data and transforming the data into the principal component space in one step. PCA.transform is responsible for projecting new data onto the principal component space that was previously learned by fitting the PCA model. PLT.figure, understanding its parameters and usage, you can create visually appealing and informative plot for data analysis and presentation. PLT.scatter, used to create scatter plots. Scatter plots are a powerful way to visualize the relationship between two numerical variables, allow you to explore pattern, trend, and outlier in your data. PLT.title, module used to add a title to a Matplotlib plot. It's a simple yet powerful tool for providing context and descriptive information to your visualization. PLT.xLabel, module used to set the label for the x-axis of a Matplotlib plot. It's a fundamental tool for providing clear and informative context to your visualization, making it easier to understand the data being presented. PLT.ylabel, it's essential for providing clear and concise information about the data represented on the vertical axis. PLT.legend, legend provides a key to understanding the different elements within a visualization, making it easier to interpret the data.
The image displays a scatter plot visualizing the result of K-means clustering applied to the iris dataset after dimensionally reduction using principal component analysis. Data points. The numerous circular points represent individual data points from the iris dataset. Each point color indicates its assigned cluster after K-means clustering. There appear to be three distinct clusters. Destroyed, the red X markers represent the centroid of the three clusters identified by the K-means algorithm. These centroids are the central points of each cluster, calculated as the mean of all data points belonging to that cluster. Their position shows the central tendency of each cluster in the reduced dimensional space.